What's good? Welcome to my channel. Today, yes, I'm in New York City, in my lovely city, my lovely town, my lovely place, and the weather starts changing. One of the things for me is I love soup. So, and I make a bunch of different types of soup. But, hey, I'm walking my dog. His name is Trax, you can't see. I cook for him too. It ain't infused, but I definitely cook for my dog. This is my recipe for my smoked turkey black bean soup. Check it out.
We're gonna start this one off with 1 cup of black beans, 1 cup of celery, 1 whole onion, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, 4 pieces of smoked turkey wings, 4 mushrooms diced, 2 potatoes cut up, 1 cup of organic chicken broth, 3 cloves of fresh garlic, nice piece of fresh ginger, pre-soaked boiled beans. Yes, you have to pre-soak them. Seasoning: 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of adobo, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of basil. Get the top on that pressure cooker. Pressure cooker settings, make sure you select pressure cooker. It's gonna be for 50 minutes. Okay, 50 minutes later. The pressure cooker cooks it, but I like my beans soft, so from the pressure cooker I put it in a pot so I can cook the beans down some. Once I cook all the water out to cook the beans down, it's nice and soupy thick. Then smoked turkey black bean soup with a side of cheeses. Cheese is my favorite soup. There you go, nice and thick. Make sure you check out my channel, subscribe.